Okay, today we're putting new rods, bolts, and wood on skis. And what we do here is we drill it and put a 1/4 inch bolt so that they don't crack, eh? They all crack once you pull it down.
Okay.
And there we got the rods made up.
Okay.
These are all grade 8 taper-headed bolts underneath.
Okay.
And we even put 1/4 inch drill and 1/4 inch countersunk bolts crossways so they don't crack.
Okay.
Flush.
So is that new wood too, or?
That's brand new wood.
Okay.
So now what he's doing is cleaning up the pad here.
Yeah.
And they all get a hump in them here. So we ground them down.
Yeah.
And then we grind, these new woods are not beveled underneath.
Okay.
So we got to bevel the wood, we put it on, then we put the shoe on.
Okay. So this one's going on the blue 1966?
No, this one is going to the one that's in Alberta right now.
Oh, okay. Which
And,
one's that one?
That belongs to Mr. Petrick.
Oh, okay.
And we only put one small weld on the runner and the shoe. That's all that's required.
Okay.
You don't have to put 2-inch thick weld all the way down.
Okay.
When you go to replace it, zip cut that off, put a new runner on.
Okay. So.
This was original. That's over 30 years.
So
It'll be okay.
this is what one of the.
New. This is old.
Okay. Okay. So how long did this take you today?
He's been working at this since 11 o'clock.
Okay, so that's 5 hours of replacing one ski, or doing the work on one ski.
Well, 2 skis.
Well, but with
Take
the one,
the hardware
yeah, okay,
off.
so yeah, a bit more, yeah.
And then he had to go to XL to get the rods. Eh?
Okay. Okay, so we're still working on all the other equipment too, or just
Yep.
this today?
Mr. Hopper is within 20 minutes. This is Mr. Hopper's machine,
Okay.
and we just finished his brake.
Okay.
It's anchored down there, and it's anchored up here.
Okay.
And this is an adjusting rod. It's a grade 8 rod. That nut is welded on for adjustment to take the caliper to the front or to the back, so you can have clearance between the rotor and the caliper.
So how much more work do you have to do?
We just got to put his seats in, and he can roll out tomorrow morning.
Okay, so this is the 1971 green that we featured the other day.
Yep.
And the customer's going to come and pick it up.
The in comes next. His old blue comes in.
Okay.
Look behind the yellow one.
Okay.
And then they're both in here. We're going to hang a couple doors maybe.
Okay.
And leave it until after Christmas.